The weather that's moved out, the showers gone, so the umbrella can stay home today. Grab the shades. 64 at Central Park, the same in Merrick. 62 in Sussex. We have the rainfall away. The moisture is still there, especially from Connecticut to eastern Long Island. So seeing some pretty dense fog there. In fact, looking at, I had a picture of Montauk. Montauk was pretty socked in, so take my word for it. Point Pleasant Beach looks beautiful, though. We've got 11 a.m. temperature right about 71. We're headed up to 80 degrees. That humidity will continue to come down with a bit of a breeze. So by 2 o'clock, mid and upper 70s. Looks great for the evening, too. We've got baseball, the Subway Series, fantastic, mid 70s through 7 p.m. All right, let's see how slow of a go it is for some of us. Adele, what are you watching?
We've got a few things going on, actually, and the bulk of it being in Queens.
Good start. Visibility is getting better in some places that had the fog. The rain, of course, is out of here. Again, the clouds are going to take just a little bit longer. 64 at Central Park. We're down to 63 in White Plains. Islip and Merrick also at 64, with Sussex now at 62. One way to kind of look at the increasing comfort level, the dew points, absolute measure of how much moisture is in the air. Low to mid 60s, still a little sticky, but you're getting into the 50s. That's moving in. That's the more comfortable air. And so we're going to get there by later on today. 76 degrees at lunchtime with some sunshine. Take it outside, grab the shades, put on the sunscreen too. Up near 80 degrees this afternoon. Rain free this evening and tonight, with temperatures dropping back down into the low 60s in the city with clear skies. All right, it hasn't been clear sailing, Adele, in a lot of places, and this is my worst nightmare too. One of many.
Yeah, one of
definitely
many,
top five.
I know, no one wants to be that car. It's a pretty good looking park.
It's a great looking park, and I think it'll get a lot of use today. We have a beautiful June afternoon ahead, and that includes in Maybrook, New York as well. Now tomorrow afternoon, a different story with some showers and storms, and you can see we're back to good and then back to stormy. So in and out of the storm threat. I'll time it all out for you and take a look at the weekend too in the 10-day.
Thanks so much.
For baseball tonight. First pitch, again, just after 7 p.m., right about 77 degrees and fair skies throughout the game, upper 60s by the time everyone heads home. Now, tomorrow's game, I'm just going to put a little asterisk, and I'll show you why. For now, we're calling dry, and especially through the game, but we've got our eye on the next chance for showers and storms. Yes, a quick turnaround after today's nice weather. You see, by midday tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms are possible once again. We have sort of spokes on a wheel pivoting through, and I do stop this model at 6:30, and you kind of see where it is. We're going to be watching the radar pretty closely, and otherwise, again, it moves through pretty quickly. But it is a start of a pattern here this week where pretty much every other day we're kind of in and out of it. Again, tomorrow with a spoke on the wheel here continues to spin, another disturbance bringing more showers and thunderstorms possible by Friday afternoon, keeping an eye on Saturday afternoon for some bubbling up of some showers. And then for now, we are looking pretty good for Father's Day. So we've got a chance to have that dry window land on Sunday. All right, we're drying out now, that's for sure, but it is gray over the Staten Island Expressway. The roadways are drying up. 64 degrees out there right now. The humidity continues to come down slowly but surely, making for a very nice, comfortable atmosphere. We have 75 by noontime, on our way up to near 80 degrees. We'll get more sunshine later on this afternoon. And again, should be pretty quiet this evening with temperatures still in the upper 60s, low 70s through 10 o'clock. And then fair skies overnight tonight, 63 degrees. We'll need the umbrella again tomorrow afternoon. Highs back into the 70s. That's it. And then we get back to the 80s on Thursday. Watching the weekend, of course, around the tri-state. Saturday could be seeing a few pop-up showers and storms by the afternoon. But again, I'm going optimistic here for Father's Day. Warm and mostly dry. Can't say that about early next week, right? We're back to